To make a conscious effort to make sure that if you are a person in power, you've got to reach back and get the black people. You can't just run off with your Chanel and you want to act all cute. It's the same thing Naomi did. When she was the only black model sashaying, honey, she kicked Tara so far to the curb, Tara couldn't even get a job almost. Because she wanted to be the only black one in the room. No, she admitted it on Oprah when she finally got on. We can't do that. We have to reach back. We can't look at people and look at them as competition. These people do a fashion week. I spend money. I contribute. I'm not talking about contribute where I come, just sit up in a chair. I write a check. Hello? A check. So guess what? They got to pay for space. Space ain't free. Okay? And then the other thing is, as soon as you get something, you want to run to roll. I'm doing 680,000. I don't have one black advertiser in 14 years. I have all Asians. This will keep me going. My office is at Times Square and Broadway. I've had an office for almost 20 years. And guess who keep me in business? Asians. I don't have one black person. Not one black advertiser. Not one black person puts an ad in my magazine. And 680,000, you trying to tell me you all don't know I'm here? It's sold right on 37th Street. Don't even try it. Okay? I don't have any black stylists coming to me that want a style. Okay? And I've been on Germany's Next Top Model. Okay? With Heidi Klum. They sent a whole team over here, but I can't get a team of black stylists to do nothing. I wonder why that is. Okay, hello somebody.